7 fun activities for first grade kids. Ideas for parents. Is your kid in first grade? There are many fun activities you can do together that are not only interesting but also provide growth opportunities for your little one. Here are 7 such activities. Design a planet. Imagination is crucial when it comes to creativity, and this activity for class 1 kids will help boost it. Here, your kid will imagine a new planet in the solar system. It could be of any shape, size, or color. Just let the creative juices of your kid flow. You can also tell your kid about the existing planets, and then you can ask them to create a model of the planet of your choice. A glowing bouncy egg. This activity for class 1 kids is more of a science experiment. You need to soak an egg in vinegar for a few days and allow your kid to observe. After a few days, your kid will discover that the egg has been transformed into a bouncy, glowing ball. Sounds interesting, right? A gratitude tree. According to research, practicing gratitude wires our brain to focus on the positive. And this activity for class 1 is based on the same concept. In this activity, you need to take your kid on a walk into the woods. Help them find a branch with multiple limbs and bring that home. Ask your kid to decorate the branch with colored leaves. And before sticking the colored leaves, help your kid write a gratitude message on each leaf. It could be anything from "Thank you God for giving us food" or "Thank you for keeping us safe." Once done, place the branch in a vase or a jar. This activity for class 1 kids helps develop writing habits, practice mindfulness, and develop gratitude. Creating cup tower. Creating cup towers is one of the most enjoyable first grade learning activities. All you need is 1 or maybe 2 packs of paper cups. Your kid needs to create the highest possible tower using the available cups. The purpose of this activity is to develop strategic thinking by maximizing the tower height without letting the cups fall. Things I like about me. Ask your kid to create a poster and add their talents, what they like, and the words or images that describe them the best. This activity can help develop self-love, self-confidence, and self-awareness. Peace rocks. Even the lives of first graders can be chaotic at times, and making some peace rocks can ease their day. You need some small X-shaped rocks, some paint, and that's it. Ask your kid to use their creativity and write peace on the rock. The motive here is to develop the artistic side of the kid while helping them learn the meaning of peace. Mindful eating. We all eat food several times a day, but how many times do we think about where the food came from? Or how many times do we enjoy our food? 0 times in most cases. With this activity, you can teach your kid about mindful eating. Tell them the source of the food, ask them to eat slowly, and thank God for the food they eat. This simple exercise can significantly improve your kid's emotional adeptness. Whether it's the weekend, winter break, or lockdown, learning must not stop. And this is true for everyone, including first graders. However, this doesn't mean learning has to be boring. With fun activities, you can help your kid learn, enjoy, and develop at the same time. All of the above mentioned activities are the right fit to get started with. At Lead Powered Schools, we use various engaging activities to make learning interesting for kids. Visit leadschool.in for more information. Lead, redefining education in India, trusted by 12 lakh plus parents for excellent education. To transform your child's learning experience, contact us now.